Welcome back to Logical Traders. This is just to showcase that anything is possible in this market. Market started just 45 minutes, but you can see that I have completed almost 46 trades. Can you see this 46 trades? This is not possible with normal chart or nothing. First of all, I'll show you what I did, how many trades in 46 trades. I'll show that. I want to convey one thing. In this market, as a beginner, we should not get attracted to two things. One is we should not attracted to the money. For example, if I am having a 1 crore, I can make 1 lakh or 10 lakhs, but that is not an important. A trader should concentrate on how many points he has taken, how many percentage. In terms of percentage only, we should calculate and we should get returns in this market. We should not focus on money. Many of them are what they are doing is they will be focusing on money and lifestyle of other trader. A trader may have BMW, Audi and anything else, but don't attract to those things. Just attract to the knowledge. I'll show you. This is just I am making an attraction towards my knowledge, not towards my money or not towards my lifestyle. I will never show how much I am making and I will not focus on what I am doing and how my lifestyle. That is not necessary. I'll show you. 46 trades in 45 minutes. This is possible only because of smart work. With help of chart, it is not possible. I am just traded with the Bank Nifty. I'll show you what and I have done. Can you see this 931? I'm buying options 399 and I'm just exit with 2 points 931.54. Again, what I am doing is I'm shorting. Instead of shorting call option, I can do buy put option also, but I'm buying the call options. Shorting the call option at 398. I'm shorting at 932.8. Within 10 seconds, I am again shorting at 406. Okay, I'm just doing a pyramiding and I am booking profit. Can you see here? I'm booking profit at 935 and again I am booking profit at 932. Again I am going short at 937.36 at 384 and again I am closing the profit at 370 and again I am buying at 363 and I am again closing at 372 and again I am buying at 373 and again I am closing at 382 and again I am shorting the market at 358 and again I am closing at 347 and again I am shorting at 390 and again I am closing at 379. Like this I am just doing a scalping. Just I'll show you some live right now. Can you see this? Okay, now I'll show you some live. Okay, now what is happening in the market is just market is in selling mode. As a scalper, I'm not talking about a short term or a swing. As a scalper, right now it is in short. Now I just need a buying confirmation from global index 2. If I see a green color, just I will think of buying. Now Bank Nifty is trading around 37,200, 37,210. Soon I will be try to make it a commentary session in coming days. Hi sir, Satish sir. So this is also just a demo, sir. I'm just trying to decode some of the Bank Nifty. Now we will see some live, what is happening in live. Okay, meanwhile I'll talk about some psychology. This is related to market. Everyone should know about this. Many people will be just thinking that a person will show that a profit, a loss, whether he made 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, but they will not show. If it is possible, they can show before what they have done, but they will never. As per me, we have to prove the market in live. If we are not eligible to prove the market in live, then we are not a trader. Yes, now we can get a easy scalping opportunities of 10 points in at the money. Okay, always I will be focusing on in the money and at the money to go with the scalping, because out the money there will be a theta decay, so we will be concentrating on at the money. Okay, right now delta is too dry in Bank Nifty, so we cannot expect more than 20 points. What is advantage of scalping is, if you are not having patience in this market, you can go with scalping. If you want to maintain a good accuracy, then you can go with scalping. As an intraday trader, we need lots of patience, one thing, and we should obey the rules. But in scalping, it's not necessary to obey the rules. We can break the rules. Yeah, now can you see this green color? Yeah, right. Right now, yeah, from 37,215. I'm not seeing a volume. Right now it is trading at 37,210 with low volume, as well as delta is also extremely low. Yeah, 37,210. Just 5 points. I'm making a small losses as 5 points. Why? Because initially we have got a 3 alignment, red, red, red. Am I right? This 3 alignment is what to tell. This will give you a immediate profit. Yeah, it's cracked almost 15 points. Now right now it is trading at 37,195. Volume came 37,190. Yeah, easy scalp of 20 points. Yeah friends, like this only I will be scalping in this market. Soon I'll be making this to the public. Okay, I'll be making what is important in this market is knowledge rather than money. If you are entering at the right place, that is enough. As a trader, you need only a right entry. Money is secondary, but right entry is first. So we will concentrate on this. In coming videos, I will be discussing more about this scalping also. One thing remember, my dear friends, what I am telling is, if you are perfect in lower time frame, then you will be perfect in higher time frame. Don't just think that lower time frame is not good for me and I will be rocking in higher time frame. Many people are thinking that they can be succeeded in 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame, but the truth is not. What is the truth is, if you are making money in 1 hour time frame, that is not the meaning that you are a successful trader. If you are making money in lower time frame, for example, I'm telling you, if you are losing money in a smaller time frame in 1 month, okay, let us take it as a 1 month. In 1 month, you are just losing the money. Okay, what is that meaning is, in 1 hour time frame, it will take 1 year for you to lose that same amount of money, or the time period is like that only. If you are able to make money in lower time frame for 1 month, then you can go with 1 hour time frame. You will be making after 1 year or 2 years. But if you are not able to make in lower time frame, in 1 hour time frame, it will take time. You will not realize that you are making loss, because monthly some might be taking 1 or 2 trades. That 1 or 2 trades, if you are following, that is not a thing. But as a market cycle, we have to travel for 3 years. 3 years is necessary in order to tell that you are a good trader. Okay, now Bank Nifty is trading at 37,180. Can you see that? We have shorted and it is keep on coming down. But for me as a scalper, my 10 points enough for me. I no need more than that, because I will be getting a number of opportunities. Why I need to wait for a single trade? Yeah, this tool, sir, surely sir, சொல்றேன் sir. என்னன்னு complete. Actually, this session is completely in English. I'm focusing on English session first of all, because what to tell, in order to growth of my side also, I want to go with English first of all. I won't say that I cannot go with our language. Surely I will be doing this both language, sir, as well as English as well as Tamil. Okay sir, this tools I'll explain you, sir. This is based on scalping concept, how to trade like a pro. That is the main concept of this tool. Sure sir, I'll tell you in detail. Thank you sir, thank you so much. No, both language we will do it, sir. It's not a thing that I should not do it in Tamil. But what is the thing is, to growth of our channel, I'm focusing for the first time. Last 3 years I didn't focus on anything. Just I was concentrating in my trade. But right now I am going with the flow to the public. I want to do something. That is the main motive for me right now. Okay, sir. Okay, again one good signal. I want to show you. I want to give a superb trade. I want to tell me one thing. Since as a SEBI registered, I'm not a SEBI registered, so I cannot say like buy here, buy there. I'll just convey in commentary like I'm going to buy, I'm going to sell. Okay, so that is like I'm not deviating the SEBI rules. So I'm not a tips provider also. So I'm on my way. I'm waiting for global index to go with green so that I can go with the call option buy trade. I'm just looking for a buying opportunity in call options. Yeah, it is trading at 37,160. We have shorted around 37,210 something, but we have got more than that. But I have booked the 10 points. That is enough for me. Yeah, this tools with this tools we can make a number of things as a scalping, as a swing, everything we can do. I will be sharing all details how to decode a market with this tool. Soon I will be telling those things. Right now I want to show some live sample. This is actually a demo for my purpose also. Okay, Muthu sir.